up, families, and thank you for joining me for today's small group. My name's Miss Emily, and I'm one of the toddler teachers here at Heartfelt Impressions, and I am so excited to do this activity with you. Now, this week's theme is cooking. That means if you've been doing any cooking, guess what? You probably have some dirty dishes. Now, Mom and Dad don't have to be the only one doing dishes. You can help too. You can help them at the sink, or you can get a big bucket of water with some soap in it. I already put my soap in it. I just used some dish soap. Made it nice and sudsy so we can clean our dishes. You also are going to need a sponge, and you're going to need some towels. You can use paper towels, bath towels, dish towels, doesn't matter. So first, I'm going to lay my towels out right here so that I can put my dishes to dry when I'm all done. Next, I already gathered all my dirty dishes. Yours are probably sitting in the sink at home. Now, some of you might have a dishwasher and you can put them in that too, but I think this is a little more fun. So, I'm going to start putting my dishes in the water. Remember, it's nice and soapy with some dish soap. It's going to help get it clean. So I'm going to put all my dishes in there. I have some plates. And I have a bowl and another toy we used earlier. I'm going to go ahead and wash that too. Now, if you don't have any dirty dishes, you can use play toys. You can wash other toys that you have. You can use play dishes. You can ask Mom and Dad to just give you some cups. But I'm sure everybody has something that can be washed. So we're just going to mix these around, make sure they get nice and wet and soapy. Okay? And then I'm going to take my sponge. Now watch. The sponge looks like it fills up with water. Look. All that water went into the sponge. That's pretty cool that sponges can do that. Squeeze it and all the water comes out. Look at that. Now sometimes it's going to be a little more fun just to splash in the water too, and that's okay. So you're going to splash, you're going to play with your sponge, squeeze it, watch all the water and soap come out. When you put the sponge in the water, it absorbs all the water, which means it takes all the water in. It like drinks it up like we do. And you can just squeeze it right back out. So now I'm going to take my plate and I'm going to scrub it. Scrub, 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 scrub. Gonna get it nice and cleaned up. And we're gonna rinse it off. And then we're gonna set it up to dry right there. And it can dry. Now I'm gonna find something else to clean. I'm gonna clean this pot. I like pots because they make fun music. Yeah, maybe next time when you're cooking this week, you can make some music while Mom and Dad cook. So, we're going to scrub this one really clean too. I'm going to scrub all around the outside, and I'm going to scrub all the way on the inside. Scrub it really good. Just like when we're washing our hands, we want to get every part of it. I'm going to scrub it really, really good. We're going to rinse it off. Rinse it off. There. Look what happens. It's filled with water. Ooh. Now some of us might be having more fun with just the idea of playing with the water and filling and emptying the containers. Because I think that's fun too. So practice. See if you can fill a container. Ooh. You can dump it back out into your bucket. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this pan off. Scrub it nice and clean. It's all rinsed off. Now, this activity is really great because it hits on a lot of core notes. The first one that it could hit on, obviously, is pretend play. Because as your child is doing this, they're pretending to do things that they see you and other adults and teachers do in their daily lives. They're pretending to clean the dishes, and actually they might really be helping. Now this also can hit on large motor and fine motor because they're gripping the sponge and they're grasping the plates, and that takes some muscle control. Now the gross motor comes from the splashing, you know, they're going to be jumping around, their whole arms are going to be into the bucket. So it's really going to work out some different parts of their body. Now also, if they spend some time doing these measurements of filling and emptying a container, that's also hitting on the measurement skill, which is part of mathematics. Now, after they clean all the plates, they can dry them off, you know, leave them to dry, and then you can have them put them away. And that can fall in our community section where it shows they know part of the routine and they understand where things go, which is a part of our history core notes. This is a really fun activity. It's fun to splish and splash. You know, if there's no soap, they don't need soap. They can just play in the water. It's a great activity for all ages, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye!